No, you still sound the same. You're still full quiet, and there can't really tell much difference.
WA5AZQ, I'm talking to you now on my 135-foot wire, and my SWR is pushing up to about 2.5, where it was earlier, practically just one, a little above one. And go ahead and talk. I think you're coming in much worse. Over.
Yeah, on my S meter, you drop down to about a 5.6. Your voice is still totally readable though, on that one. So whatever you did, it does seem just a little bit different. Audio wise, it's not that different, but on the meter it is. Over.
Yeah, QSL. I'm gonna go switch it back. 75AZQ, KD3. I'll be right back.
All right, KD3 WA5AZQ standing by.
It's not even showing up on my SWR. That wire is so happy with this radio. Any difference?
Yeah, you jumped up there, WA5AZQ. You've jumped up there a little bit, not quite as good as where you are, but again, there's no audio difference. I'm just looking at the meter. You still sound the same. You might be a little bit clearer, but you don't have much background noise. For all intents and purposes, you're pretty much 5'9".
Yeah, copy that. Yeah, go ahead and send me a short blip on the 66 foot. I just jumped back down to. It's a slope going from east to west for about 6 foot up into a tree about 20 foot. Nice slope going straight up, no inverted L or inverted V or anything. And then that other one, the 135, it's zigzag. But I can't complain, man. It rocks on 80 meters, especially 80 meter invis, which is, especially this time of year, 40 meters just peters out. Being able to talk to people in Texas from Austin, all the way out to like Big Bend, it just, it drops out. So 80 meters is the way to go as far as talking to people locally in the winter. So that's why I keep that wire up in the trees. It doesn't do too well on 40, which we just saw, but it rocks on 80. WA5AZQ, KD3.
Yeah, no, like I said, there was a little bit of difference just in the meter, but it'll still work for you, in a pinch. So it's not that bad. So you said you work down here. Did you live down here too? Where exactly were you?
These LED lights, I cannot wait for next week.
Roger that. You're pretty quiet. You're just about where you were. I wasn't looking at the meter, but we'll have to see on your next comeback what you sound like.
All right, hey, let's try 80.
Okay, give me a frequency.